Now that we've got the vehicle raised and supported, remove your center cover, remove your lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Now that we have the wheel off, we have a clear view of the upper portion of the sway bar link. We're going to remove this 21mm nut. If your sway bar link stud is spinning, just grab it with some locking pliers. Use a little bit of penetrating oil, because obviously we need it. Hold that stud. Let's get this nut off of here. We're just going to do the same thing like we did on the top. There it is, friends. Time for the install. Grab your washer, slide it on there. Bottom this out. Hold the inside with a 19mm and snug up the nut. Let's do the same for the top. Nice and tight. Get the wheel up on here and bottom out all your lug nuts. Now when it comes time to torque the lug nuts, there's two things to remember, whether you have the regular charger or if you have the police edition. If you have the regular, you're going to torque these lug nuts to 110 foot-pounds. If you happen to have the police edition, go ahead and torque them to 140. Here we go. Torqued. Grab your cover. Give it a loving bonk and a shake.